हाय गाइस, चलो आज पैनकेक बनाने वाले हैं हम। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं रेसिपी। सबसे पहले हम लेंगे 1 कप मैदा, 1/4 कप पाउडर्ड शुगर, 1 टीस्पून बेकिंग पाउडर, 1/4 टीस्पून बेकिंग soda, 1 pinch of salt. We'll give it a mix so that dry ingredients, when combined with wet ingredients, don't make lumps. Now we are adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter. This is not teaspoon, this is tablespoon. Now half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we'll add 1 cup buttermilk, which is charge, and we'll mix it nicely. We have to make sure that no lump is made. See the consistency now, liquid, flowy, not very thin, not very thick. This is the right consistency. Now we'll take a non-stick pan, keep it on medium flame. Now we'll take the mixture and pour it in the pan, and the pan is heated a bit. We'll add some more. Maybe a little more. And let it cook for a while. Guys, the flame is on medium hot, and you can see it's starting to cook. There are small bubbles coming out. Guys, let's check. Okay, it's moving, that's a good thing. Now we'll flip it. थोड़ा सा और पकने देते हैं, and then we'll flip it. Now we'll flip it. Oh, perfect. Look at this. It already feels so fluffy. Guys, this is another pancake, and okay, no problem. I fixed it. This is my first pancake, which is just perfect. This is my second one, and we'll finish the batter. Then I'll show you the plating. Now meanwhile, my third pancake is cooking. I'm applying Nutella on top of this one, and then I'll plate these on another plate, because this is for me and that's for Banisha. Now I like some banana on my pancake, so I'll top it up with banana and some strawberries. Now guys, I will top it up with strawberries. These are frozen strawberries which I stored in my freezer. Oops, ये banana तो फिसले जा रहे हैं. And some blueberries. Wow, already started looking amazing. Guys, I topped it with strawberry sauce, and here's my final pancake. It looks super yummy, and wow, it will taste amazing, I'm sure. Do let me know if you like the recipe. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.